up, BB gang? It's what you want.
It's your girl, Shabby.
Oh yeah, back on the video, man. Back on the bang video, man. That's by title, by thumbnails. It becomes some fashionable type shit. Fashionable sponsors, man. Come on, let's go.
Okay, guys, I ordered a few pieces from Fashion Nova, and we're gonna be doing a boyfriend rates my Fashion Nova clothes. So I'm just gonna try on a few pieces that I have, and Javon's gonna rate them from 1 to 10 based on how the pieces look and how they look on me. Okay, you got that?
Got it.
You got it?
Got it.
Okay, so without further ado, guys, we're gonna get straight into this video. All right, guys, this is the first piece. Let's see how it looks. Ooh.
Nah, you ain't telling me it was working.
Okay, turn around.
Keep my eyes closed. Let's turn around.
No, just turn around.
Okay. Press the back of the blue. Let me get a full 360 spin. No, it slipped. My foot slipped.
Yeah, okay, that's what she scared the shit out of me.
Okay, well that's it. Over it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you trying over, you trying to get. Okay, I ain't gonna say. Okay. Turn around, get one more. Turn around. Okay, come. Okay, let me see something. Come right here. Stamp on the bed. Stamp on the bed.
Stand up on the bed.
Let me get something. Stamp on the bed. Come over some more.
Come over some more. How?
Come down.
What are you trying? Oh, you can see through it.
You can't raise in public, but so that's
Yes,
low.
I can.
That's low rating right there. She can't raise in public. So
Yes, I can.
let's turn around. Stop. Damn.
What? Ow! Stop doing.
So I'm ready right now.
Yes.
I love the shortness. What I don't love is see-through. So you gonna lose points to that.
Mhm.
I love the over it, you know, make you look more, I don't know, aggressive I guess. I don't know.
Aggressive.
Yeah, I like the little apple peach in the back, poke out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Come with the blood. So I'm gonna give it a 7.
A 7.
7.
I can work with a 7.
Give it a
I can
7.
work with a 7. Okay, next piece. Turn around. All right.
I gotta look around.
Turn.
Okay, guys, how's it looking so far? Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit.
What you think?
Ooh. Damn.
Y'all, I've been looking for this sweater. I saw another YouTuber wear this, and I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta find this. I knew she got it off from Fashion Nova too. So both of these are from Fashion Nova, by the way. I had to put on some shorts with this one, and then yeah. So what you think?
Oh, this didn't come with it?
Mm.
So I'm reading this?
No, rate both of them, cause this Fashion Nova too. I bought this too.
Oh, you got my favorite animal. But not really my favorite animal, but that's a tiger, huh?
This one.
It's a tiger.
Yes, it's a tiger. It's a tiger.
That's a savage?
Mhm. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Turn on.
But it's supposed to be a crop top.
Oh, okay. See, I'm gonna rate this?
Mhm.
I'm gonna be honest.
First, give the shorts. Do the shorts.
The shorts?
Mhm.
You wear it in public or just?
Yeah.
You wear these shorts in public?
Yes.
Okay, I got you.
Yes.
I'm gonna be real with this one.
Okay.
Okay. The shorts, 5. That's a see-through.
A 5? How?
Don't worry about it. It's dark, right? I can see.
Babe,
I can see.
he just saying that, y'all.
That's 5. The shirt,
Okay.
6.
6.
6.
Why a
Because
6?
then I go out that door, Granny, if you watching this, I know you wouldn't want me to approve this. She wouldn't let you go outside half freaking naked, showing. Like, look. Yeah, they can't lift behind and all your brow show. What do you have about to say, honey?
I'm a grown
5. My should I give it a 4?
A 4?
4, should I give them? I like the savage and the style. Well, the style is alright, but 4.
A 4, babe.
Go outside and expose yourself. 4.
But I could wear like high waist shorts or something. I mean high waist pants with this, right?
I said 5. I'm keeping it 5. 5.
Alright,
Next.
Alright, turn. What you think?
I'm gonna put
Y'all, these are pants, by the way.
Full 360. Wait, come over, turn. Stop. Put your hand down. Turn around. I like this.
You like it? Feel it.
Feel it?
Feel it.
Oh, it feels smooth enough.
Right?
Yeah. Okay, you showing I got more points for that? I like it though. I like it, you know.
You like it? I like it too. It's real chill. Like if I just want to throw in something in the house, boom, it's it right here.
I like it. It's solid 8.5.
8.5?
Yeah.
I'll take that.
Yeah, that's solid 8.5. I like it, you know. Yeah.
I know which one gonna give you a 10.
Whoa.
Alright, turn around.
Okay.
What?
360. I'm gonna get a 420. A 420.
What's a 420 half?
She gonna make me something.
That boy said, let me get a
Yeah,
420.
720.
Boy,
Yeah, 720.
that's a 720 right there.
720.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, 720.
Yeah, what?
Ooh, 720. Nice. This is like a chill, like beach vibes, pool vibes, start right? Or no?
This is like this. Okay, when I picked most of these items out, I picked them like quarantine chill vibes. So this is like something I would throw on just as lounge around. What you think? What you give it?
I'm gonna give it a high 7.
A high 7?
High 7.
A high 7.
Maybe an 8.
8. Okay.
One reason because you can do it for more than one stuff. As I said, chill, pool, quick little draw or something, you know?
Mm-hmm.
A high 7. I'll drop an 8 to it.
Okay, I'll take that.
What?
I'll take that.
Let me check the back. Okay.
What?
Cool.
What's wrong with the back?
Nothing, I'm gonna give it an 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
Okay, next outfit.
Okay. Not for you.
Next outfit. Come on, babe.
Come on, man. You thinking forever.
Hmm?
Okay.
What you think? What you think?
All white? Rocking the all white?
I thought I'd change it up a bit. It got pockets on it too. So we can go exercise one day. You know? The top is separate from this. I couldn't find the top for this one, but...
Oh, it's not the same?
No,
It look
it's
like the
different. It do, huh? That's why I was like, well, it kind of looks the same, so I'm gonna get it. And then I got it for the detail in the back. You see it?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, right. Y'all can see the detail in the back there. You can see it?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay.
The only can see from pretty much right here. Oh.
Oh. And guys, it has pockets on it as well. And it has like this little this little mesh thingy right here. So yeah, guys, it's very stretchy.
Flexible.
Very stretchy.
Flexible.
What you think, babe? I've never bought anything like sporty from Fashion Nova.
I'm getting 9.
A 9?
I'm getting 9.
Okay, I like that. I like that.
I like the color. I'll give it a 9.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 9.
Okay, next outfit. Alright, babe, turn around. So he's just rating the shirt, guys, not the shorts. Just the shirt.
Oh, the same shorts? Okay, over it. Okay, over it. Oh, interesting.
Just
So what's this, a beach type thing? A pool type thing?
It's like a...
I'm not going to put the body back a short.
What?
You can't put the back a short. You know that? So it's a beach or a pool thing?
No, it's not either one of those things. It's a go out
Oh, it's a go out where?
to the
Go
club.
out near Bumbo and near...
Babe, this is like a shirt I can put on with some jeans or like some shorts, like some jean shorts, and just go out somewhere. It's summer, so I'm gonna be cool back here. You get it. There we go.
Guys, if y'all saying, if by summertime y'all don't see us together, you know why.
Cause he tripping. Okay, what you think?
I ain't tripping.
You tripping, son.
Cause I know who gonna be tripping for real.
You're gonna be tripping at this last one. Come on.
Okay. Turn around. Alright, so I'm gonna give this a damn, I don't know what to give this. I'm gonna give it a 6.
A 6.
6.5.
You give it a 6.5. Okay, I'll take it.
It just don't look right here. It's just, the curve or this
This how it's
stretch.
supposed- yeah. It can tie down there too, but I didn't tie it up because I ain't had time to tie all that. Do that way.
I ain't know what to give this one. Let's give it a 6.5.
A 6.5? Okay, that's fine. I'll take that. I'll take that. Okay.
If I get a 9, you be like, a 9? What? I wouldn't give myself a 9 with this, huh?
Yes, I would because I picked it out. Okay. Okay, turn around, babe.
Ready?
I'm a savage.
That's the last one?
Bougie, ratchet.
Okay. Okay. I ain't say that way though.
I think this is a little too big for me. I should have got a small.
So you want it like up on there, so?
No, fool.
Up on there, so?
No, like this, cause it's too little. I mean, too big a little bit.
What the fuck, though? What the fuck, beloved?
I'm gonna knock you out. Keep playing with me.
What the fuck, though?
Your lip gonna be fucked though. Okay, what you think, babe? It was another one that was like. It was another. I'm gonna get that one too. Stop playing with me.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna get that one too. Okay.
Which one?
The other one I seen. It's a great set.
Same thing as this?
Yeah, but it's a thong one.
Oh.
And it's like right here.
Turn up the tricks, man. Turn up the tricks.
I understand.
The body fuck.
Huh?
Yo, the body fuck. Yeah, I'm missing something.
Don't. What?
What? This is that last one, huh?
Yes.
I got all I see, man, you know?
Okay.
You got all I see from the general, you know? Yeah, man, all I see from the go on both, you know? Body fuck.
Oh wait, I gotta get something else. Stop doing him again. I'm not putting shit. Yeah, I bought this hat too because I'm gonna personalize it up here.
Hot.
But I like the glitter. It got glitter on it right here.
Like your ass, man.
So yeah, guys, this is the end of my Fashion Nova haul.
Oh, I ain't rate this.
Oh, what you rating, babe?
Yes, at 10,000, you know, man. Because I want to hurry up and start shooting shower, you know.
Babe, my people can't understand what you're saying.
Yo, don't worry about that. My people understand what I'm saying.
He said he gonna get us to 10,000 because he's finna rate me.
Hell yeah.
It got
you just say your people can't understand what you understand.
I said my people can't understand, but I understand. Don't play with me. So anyways, yeah, this is the end of my Fashion Nova haul. If y'all like this video, like the video. Comment in the comment section. If y'all want me to do another Fashion Nova haul, let me know. If y'all want Giovanni to do one, let him know. And we're gonna do one for y'all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, we'll catch y'all in the next video. We love y'all. Subscribe to the channel with the notification bell. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.